Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will provide you with a fast and easy step-by-step guide on how to log into the Wells Fargo app. Whether you're accessing your account for the first time or you just need a quick refresher, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the Wells Fargo app. If you haven't already, start by downloading the Wells Fargo app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Simply search for Wells Fargo and click the download button. The app is free and convenient for managing your banking needs on the go. Step 2. Open the app. Once the app is installed on your device, locate the Wells Fargo icon on your screen and tap it to open. Step 3. Tap on Login. After the app loads, you will see the login screen. You will find the login button prominently displayed. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your username. On the next screen, you will be prompted to enter your Wells Fargo username. Make sure to type it in accurately as it is case sensitive. Step 5. Enter your password. After entering your username, click Continue and you will be prompted to enter your password. Again, ensure that you type it correctly. Step 6. Enable Touch ID or Face ID. Optional. If this is your first time logging in, you may be presented with an option to set up Touch ID or Face ID for easier access in the future. If you want to enable this feature, follow the on-screen instructions. Step 7. Log in. Once you have entered both your username and password, click on the Login button. If your information is correct, you will be logged into your Wells Fargo account. Step 8. Navigate your account. Now that you're logged in, you can easily navigate through the app to check your balances, make transfers, pay bills, and more. Don't forget, if you encounter any issues logging in, you can tap on Forgot Username or Password to recover your account credentials. Thanks for watching our fast mobile login guide for the Wells Fargo app. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you found this information useful.